Hello. Project number 2. I'm gonna try and make another bucket hat out of this lovely green fabric. Inside is gonna be kind of like this, so and white lining inside. Ow. Anyways, the hat is gonna be with this little print that I made ages ago but didn't use much of, so the inside is gonna be kind of like this but with bananas, and it's gonna be green. Got all the parts cut out. I'm kind of making a matching trouser and a matching top. This is the top, the little collar and stuff. It needs buttons too. Low energy today, hangover. I'll do this later because I'm like
doing one thing and then I decide to do another thing and then I'm get lazy and I skip this thing and I'm just like, I want to make a hat today.
Yeah, I started on the trouser, which I'm waiting for my mom and my auntie to discuss the crotch area because it doesn't look really good, and then jacket, need to finish bottom and the buttons, and meantime.
I'm sorry, I need my trousers.
Okay, get your trousers. I don't know where I finished. So anyways, I'm just gonna finish the hat. I'm just gonna do the hat and just see where life takes us. only took me a couple of hours. It's not that bad. It's really like wonky, like the seams are not very straight because this, you know, like how I do the seams. These seams, they are supposed to be at the same distance. I've tried to make it at the same distance, but the width of this bit is not the same. I don't know, I just didn't cut it right, but it's not the same everywhere. Like somewhere it's like 7 centimeters and somewhere it's like 6 and like 6.5. Because of that, it's not perfect. I mean, it is for me. Okay, bye.